You will be amazed by this 2021 Jeep Cherokee. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Cherokee has your back on all your adventures. Its generous cargo capacity, safety technology, off-road capability, and passenger-friendly interior infuse each journey with confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, heated mirrors, satellite radio, fog lamps, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels. Hit the trail in comfort and refinement in the Cherokee. Test drive it today.